Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video. I didn't see it out there, so I just wanted to kind of help anybody out who's looking for this information because I looked around the internet for hours and hours and hours and I could not find this information. What I want to do is show you how to use your Scarlett interface with two microphones to record onto GarageBand so that you can edit separate channels instead of editing left and right together. You can edit separate channels. Actually, sorry, not GarageBand. It'll be Logic Pro. So Logic Pro will let you record separate channels. GarageBand will not. So basically, you want to open Logic Pro and kind of just get everything going. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these channels. Delete track. Okay. I'll go ahead and delete track. And then what I want to do is create a new track. Make sure that my input is on a single channel. So I'll go with input 1 for my first channel. Make sure input monitoring and record are enabled. And then make sure that the device is correct. And then I'll go ahead and add a second one, and this will be input 2. The same settings, make sure the device is correct, make sure it's only one track. It'll create 2 tracks. And then what I want to go ahead and do is go left and go right with the other one. It's up on your mouse or down on your mouse depending on which way you want to go. So you can record on both of these tracks right now. I only have one mic plugged in, but I have one mic here, and then I have one mic here that I'm actually talking to you on. So once you start recording, it will record left and right based on how it's set up. And then what you can do from there is just go ahead and edit a single channel by itself, and that way you can save them separately as well and come back and edit them later, and then you can go ahead and add whatever if you want to do a music over. But there's really not a lot of videos on YouTube or otherwise to actually show beginners how to do this stuff, so I kind of had to stumble through and figure it out myself. You can't do this in GarageBand. It won't let you record both channels at the same time. You can do it in Logic Pro though, and I recommend it.